on. And then look at it, got a cute little mirror right here. Purr, look at your girl. It's your girl, you feel me? Yeah. Oh, I like. This is cute. This is my vibe right here. I'm cooking. This is the effing one. Y'all look at it. Day 3. I don't even know how it looks right now because the glass is kind of blurry. But yeah, it's day 3, and yes, I got on the same outfit from last night because I had it on for a couple hours. Yeah, I just put it on and grab some shoes, and that's it. So now I'm on the way to run an errand real quick. Then I'm gonna get something to eat, and hopefully I meet up with my friends later on tonight, because we're trying to do something every day. And then we got something planned for like a girls' night for Christmas. We got like matching pajamas, and we're gonna do like all Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna catch y'all, I don't know, when I get to my destination, or probably gonna vlog when I get food or something. But y'all like my glasses? Hold on, I can't even see it. Do I look cute or something? Y'all get it. Okay. Why am I so close? Alright, y'all, so we made it to Rockside. Hey, you? Here's the vibes. I guess I'm gonna show y'all my food, whatnot. So, what time is it? Let me see your phone. It's 1:35 right now.
Can you ever tell over to me?
Eat my grandma collard greens. I don't like any other collard. So I guess I'm gonna show y'all my food, and I don't know if we're gonna go to the mall after this. I don't know what's going on. No, I'm not drinking.
This is a bag that I was talking about to go to Google. It's just some candy in there, but the main thing is this. This is the floor plan. The floor plan that you guys are, I just put the 31st of December, so that way you could try to move in to get some type of special.
I'm looking at apartments right now. So yeah, just got the elevator, you know. And then look at it, got a cute little mirror right here. Purr, look at your girl. It's your girl, you feel me? Yeah, hold on. So yeah, this is me, and we about to go. Looks so nice. Look at this. Ooh, yeah, I love this wall. I can take pictures right here. Look, y'all, this the amenities, y'all. Oh, this a vibe right here. Then we got the Christmas spirit. Ooh, y'all, I'm digging it. Look at the outside. I can just come out here, take pictures right here. Just in the hallway. This is the door number. Let's walk in. The bathroom is right here. This is the door. Okay, the bathroom door. The light is straight. This is the studio that I'm looking at first. This is, ooh, a closet space, cause baby, my clothes ain't gonna fit in that closet. This is the room. This the room, bedroom. Small, but it's for a studio. It's big enough. This one at the end of the hallway this time, man. Oh, I like. This is cute. This is my vibe right here. Oh, this the one. This is the effing one. Y'all look at it. Okay, we'll go to this. I guess this bedroom number one. Bedroom number one. Yes. Oh, and they got the bathroom, kitchen stuff. Oh, yes. Two sinks. Y'all see it, girl. I'm gonna mess right now. Okay. Got the towel right behind the door. Got a closet. It's a big old closet. Okay, I like the bathroom and the closet. I really hope it's not the master bedroom because they got two sinks and they got a big closet, but the room is definitely not big. It's definitely not. But I should like my room next to the kitchen. And this is a closet, I guess a coat closet, storage closet. Whatever you want to call it. And then what? I don't know what. Oh, I like this. And then right here we got a closet. This one. We got a bathroom. I guess this is the guest bathroom, but this looks better feeling. Yeah, this is my bathroom. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Oh, look at the shower. Yeah. Oh, it's hard time recording. This is another bedroom. Oh, so this is another bedroom. Right here. Ooh, look at this closet. This might be the master, because that's nice. Then we came back out to this area right here. The bathroom in that room was connected. Then we're in the living room. Yeah, this is the one. Ooh, yes, this is so nice. Wow, it's the kitchen for me. It is the motherfucking kitchen for me, y'all. It's the big island, like. The only thing I don't like about this, I like black and white. I wish the countertops was white, but it's a brown, but baby, it's cute and it's nice. I'm cooking. Okay. Oh, the pantry. You got a good enough storage. Yes, this is very, 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 very nice. And they got shelves right here. Yes, look at that. Yes, I'm so in love with this kitchen, y'all. Look at it. How you turn the lights on? Oh, yes, y'all see it? I think it's the big island that's making me fall in love. And then the windows. Then the floor. This the one. Ooh, this the one bedroom. Looks like a studio. can show y'all the front. I'm really bad at recording like this, so y'all don't get on me. What's this? A storage closet or a coat closet. And first thing, we got the motherfucking kitchen. We got motherfucking cabinets, you feel me? Pantry. Yeah, all that. Yeah. The living room with the balcony. We're gonna go in the room right here though. What's in here? Oh, washer and dryer. At least they come with washer and dryer and they got a. Oh. They got a. I like the bathroom. And the light was good. And I got the camera. They got that. Yes. It's cute. It's cute. It's the room. All the room is giving very much small. You ain't gonna be able to fit no motherfucking dresser, just a bed and a TV. I don't know what they got going on, but I guess they do that so the closets can be bigger. So that is way more important for the closet to be way better. You put everything in your closet. Because all the closets are spacious and all the rooms are smaller. So I guess that's what they do, just take some of that room and put it in the closet. Then here go the little balcony. No major. Y'all, like, what the fuck? It's been a long day. I was just at the house, chilling. Then I got hungry because Fat Mama been eating lately. Yes, ma'am. I've been eating, y'all. I've been eating up a storm. Trying to eat more than 3 meals a day, but I've been doing 3 meals a day, you know. So I'm up here. I'm at motherfucking Chili's right now. I really don't want to get in camera because I think I hot mess, y'all. But I'm at Chili's. I just made it to go order. And now I'm waiting. Then I'm gonna go home and eat. But y'all, this girl, she run me up so weird. And she's on the first order, 26. I'm like, damn, how much I spent? These are the second order, $8. So I'm confused on what she gonna do. 23. Okay, I'll give her that. Oh, she put the dessert on a different ticket. Dang, the dessert is motherfucking $8. Get like motherfucking what? $36? The motherfucking shit. And while I'm phone, I go sit down in the case, y'all. The motherfucking car. Now I'm definitely going home. It is, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock right now, and y'all can't even see me, but I'm on the way home. So yeah, I just left Chili's, and she ended up giving me free drinks, y'all. I had to tip her, bro. So yeah, but I'm on the way home, and I guess I'm gonna end off this vlog right now because when I get home, I'm gonna eat, put on something good, and fall asleep. I'm gonna try to edit this video. Y'all really need to post this video tonight. I'm trying to, hopefully I do it, but if I post it, it might be at 12 o'clock in the morning for the first Vlogmas video. And it's already gonna be like December the 4th, so like, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I'm trying, but baby got a life, so y'all, just be patient. But yeah, y'all. Bye, y'all. Catch y'all in the next Vlogmas tomorrow. Yeah. I'm not gonna say too much because I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. For real, because I'm for real about Vlogmas. So yeah. Bye, you guys.